What if AI isn't predicting collapse at all? It's just exposing wrath that's already in motion. The older theologians never pictured wrath as God throwing a tantrum. Wrath was what reality does, when you keep breaking its laws long enough. You can call it divine order, natural law, providence, the code of creation. Whatever you call it, the claim is the same. This place is governed, and when a system refuses that governance, wrath is simply the invoice that arrives. Empires don't just fail, they spend decades ignoring limits, extracting too much, lying to themselves, until the structure they've built no longer matches the reality underneath it, and then one day the bill comes due. Now drop AI into that story. We talk about AI like it's some mysterious oracle, peering into the future and deciding who lives and who falls. But that's not what it's actually doing. AI feeds on patterns. It inhales data from finance, climate, infrastructure, from the small habits of millions of people and the large delusions of entire civilizations. And then it shows us something we don't want to see. The cracks we already built into everything. Give it the right inputs and AI lights up like a smoke alarm in a burning house. It can't create the fire. It can only scream about what's already burning. Think about an MRI. An MRI doesn't give you cancer, it just reveals the tumor that's been growing in the dark. In the same way, AI doesn't generate wrath. It doesn't summon collapse out of nowhere. It just reads the shape of the damage we've been doing for a long time. The danger is not that AI will suddenly become some new independent god of judgment. The real danger is that we will hand it the gavel because we are too afraid to face the judge. If this really is a rendered, governed reality, then wrath is one of its core rendering rules. You can feel that in your own life. You violate your own conscience long enough, you lie to the people around you, you pretend your habits are fine, and then one day the structure collapses, the relationship is gone, the reputation is gone. The self you thought you were keeping safe is rubble. That's wrath, not lightning from nowhere. The inevitable collapse of a system that refused the truth. And now our technologies are being wired to stare at those inevitabilities at scale. AI that tracks supply chains and quietly whispers, "This can't hold." AI that watches the climate and calmly says, "You're already past the line you think is far away." AI that profiles whole societies and concludes, "This psychology does not survive what's coming." In a theological frame, that's not prophecy in the romantic sense. That's diagnostic wrath. It's the system holding up a mirror and saying, "This is the shape of your end if you keep walking in this direction." So the question isn't, will AI destroy us? That's the wrong story. The real question is, when the warning sirens of wrath go off, when the algorithms, the models, the systems all start pointing at the same cliff, will we repent? Or will we optimize the volume down and pretend the rendering rules don't apply to us? Because in a rendered world, collapse is never random. It's just the moment wrath finally loads. If you want more of this dark technotheology, where judgment, exile, and AI all sit in the same room, stay in the rendered state. The next collapse we talk about might be personal. Like and subscribe for more content like this.